This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by AnthonyBernosky. Tastefully furnished and well-maintained extraordinary villa located in Calumet Reserve in Lely Resort, Manchester. 85 two-story floorplan features 3 bedrooms plus study, 3 baths, living room, dining room, breakfast room, large laundry room, screen-enclosed extended lanai and a 2-car garage. The master bedroom is on the main level and a larger private suite with full bath is on the second level. The master bath features dual vanities, a whirlpool soaker tub, and a separate shower. The upgraded kitchen includes granite counters and newer stainless steel whirlpool appliances. The screened lanai has been extended, tiled, and includes a beautiful portable grill and is a perfect area when entertaining guests. The air conditioner was replaced in 2014 and the water heater in 2021. Membership and enjoyment of the spectacular Players Club and Spa is optional. Buyer will have 30 days to purchase seller's membership. Beautiful Lely Resort offers 2 public golf courses and is but a short drive to white sand beaches of Marco Island and all the activities of downtown Naples. The Lely area offers many fine restaurants, shopping, and medical facilities. Welcome to your piece of paradise. For more information, review the details below or contact Anthony Bernosky at 239-259-1207.